Would like to discuss with you one more use case, how you could use AI in your everyday life. So let's imagine that we have something to build, for example, short conspect of some, let's say, school stuff for our children to help them to prepare for some exam or for some check-in in the school. So how it's possible to do? You could do it with the help of Gemini. So actually what you're doing is you're going into Gemini, you're starting a new chat. So in the new chat, you put in something that you need, like for example, I need to learn something, and then you're going here into the settings, and here you need to specify that you would like to use deep research. So once you're doing the deep research, Gemini will show you a plan, and based on the plan later it will show you, result of the plan. And based on the results, what you could do is you could select what you would like to actually create: application, web page, or any kind of other resources. So in my case, for example, for the similar use case to help my son to prepare for some checks, I just asked Gemini to analyze the specific chapter from the book, and it actually did it for me. And as you could see, now we have some infographics. We have a possibility for us to take a look, like a learn for something. We have a possibility for us to switch between tabs and read through different topics. And actually, even more, we could, let's say, prepare for our exam, right? If, for example, we would like to help our children. So, for example, here we have quick quiz, and that quick quiz allowing us, like to select some answers, take a look if we are near with what we need, right? If the answer is correct or not. So we could do it through the help of the Gemini. But here's one interesting stuff that I would like to let you know. So when you're working with Gemini and after it's generated, you use the main application. If you will want to actually change anything into it, you will start type something here. But because for this mode, deep research, Gemini already used a lot of, like context, it will start to lose a context pretty quick. So that's why it's better, like to initially generate as good application as you can, and then maybe just rephrase, like and retry in the new chat, because without it, what I find out, it's actually not allowing us to do a new modification pretty well. So for example, when I asked this application to actually try and add me, like language switcher, so it's actually, removed tons of different kind of other components, so which was something that I did not expect. But here you could see it look like a pretty professional, like site, and via that manner you could optimize different kind of learning that you have to do just with the help of Gemini. Like for example, hey, please read for me the following chapter, structure it, and do whatever is required. It will do, a call for you, and it will give you some infographics, like some information, which is pretty, like easy one as a quick conspect of the chapter, even with the quizzes if it's required for you to do so.